Hanuman. What do you understand when you hear the word Hanuman? Who wants to say Hanuman? What
দিদি,
are, yeah.
ইফ ইউ আস্ক মি, আমি বাংলায় বলতে পারি তো না?
Hmm.
আসলে হনুমানজি হচ্ছে আমাদের কুল দেবতা, মানে আমাদের ফ্যামিলির কুল দেবতা। সো আমি ছোটবেলা থেকে হনুমানজিকে দেখে আসছি এবং উনার অনেক কিছু করে আসছি। তো আমার কাছে হনুমানজি মনে হয় যে উম, তার কাছে মানে এত শক্তি, এত ছিল, বাট কখনো তার মধ্যে সে অহংকার বা সে কখনো তার নিজের শক্তির মানে প্রদর্শন কিংবা হচ্ছে কাউকে ছোট করা, সে কখনো এটা করেনি।
Hmm.
এবং উনার কাছ থেকে শেখার অনেক কিছু আছে, যে মানুষ যতই উপরে উঠে যায় তারপরে কিভাবে হাম্বল থাকতে হয়, কিভাবে মানে লো থাকতে হয়, এই জিনিসটা ওনার কাছ থেকে মানে আমরা শিখতে পারি।
Hmm.
আমার কাছে এটাই মনে হয়।
Yeah.
কারণ আমি উনি লাইফ লাইফ যদি যখনই জানছি, মানে ছোটবেলা থেকে যখনই দেখছি, ছোটবেলার কথা আলাদা, তখন উনি নাটখাট ছিলেন, বাট যখন থেকে উনি বুঝতে শিখছেন বা করছেন, ওনার মতন হাম্বল, ওনার মতন মানে কিউট যেটা আমার কাছে মনে হয়, ওনার মতন উনি কখনো মানে অনেকে হয়তো বা অনেক জায়গায় দেখাইছে যে আমার এটা আছে ওটা আছে, উনি কখনোই নিজের জিনিসের প্রদর্শন করেননি, কোথাও না।
So if you the hear the Hanuman Chalisa, Ashta Siddhi Navanidhi ke Data. Huh? Siddhis. Normally in spirituality, we like people who are very, very the gurus. If you hear all these gurus like Shri Ravi Shankar, or you hear about Sadguru, or even the other gurus in the previous time, Ramakrishna, they were totally against, siddhis. You know, they would say, okay, some people you'll see even in here also will say that, uh, and I tell one of my, friends here, she was one day telling that, Didi, this this master, he does this and he does this, and immediately I stopped at that moment, that don't, because it is, because all the gurus, they the moment you have some siddhi, some gurus, so they take away your siddhis. Some gurus will ensure that they take away your siddhis. Siddhis, right? If you see, ashta siddhi navanidhi ke data. Hmm? So if you see, Hanuman had this ashta siddhi. Hmm? What are the ashta siddhi? Sometimes he could become big, as vast as, you cannot imagine, as vast. He can become a tiny person. He can become as soft. He could become as soft as cotton. He could achieve anything, any moment. Like, have you seen beer biceps? I continuously refer to that beer biceps, Shri M. He just manifested Rudraksh from thin air. So this is what, this out of this ashta siddhis, these are the siddhis that he had. Okay. So many, many siddhis, like, becoming like God like power. Also another siddhi he's totally become like a God. He has all the powers of a God. Hmm? Then he can achieve anything anywhere. He can bring anything from anywhere. That is the kind of power, all these eight kind of siddhis. And he also achieved nine treasures. Nine treasures are different treasures, the different, tortoise, there are different treasures. They say tortoise is a treasure, crocodile is a treasure, jasmine flower is one kind of a, there are some treasures they talk about in spirituality. And these are the treasures that he has achieved. Normally, these kind of siddhis, if anybody achieves, most of the time, first of all, the log, they get confused, and many people think, oh, I have achieved this siddhi, that means siddhi means enlightenment. जितना सिद्धि आपने अचीव किया है उसका मतलब है आप उतने ही ज्यादा एकदम बहुत इवॉल्व, बहुत मोक्ष प्राप्त करने वाले आदमी हो। नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। सिद्धि अचीव कर सकते हो, उसके बावजूद भी यू हैव सीन रावणा, right? Ravana has achieved so many siddhis, so many powers, so many things. And what has he done with that? He has destroyed many people. He has destroyed finally himself also with his power, with his siddhis. That's why I told you I never, anybody speaks here also about somebody, one of my friends here, not she doesn't join, but very close to me. One day she was telling me that Didi, my this mentor, this master can do this and this, and I said, immediately cut. I said, no, we don't. It's if it comes to us, very humbly receive it. Don't also say I don't want it, but at the same time, don't think that because you have got the siddhi, you have become much better than others or more enlightened than others. Especially Ramakrishna to actually used to take away siddhis and throw it. I told you the story, right? Ramakrishna had many, he was an enlightened master, but he used to learn from other people who were, less evolved than him. But still, he wanted to learn. He was so humble. He's another example of a humble, enlightened person. So from one master who was even below him, but he learned from that master. But that master, that lady, sent one of her, disciples to him. He said, "You should go and learn from Ramakrishna." So this man, he came and he said, "My master has asked me to serve you and learn from you." And so one night when they were, when they had to relieve themselves, go to the toilet. At that time, the toilets were in the fields. So Ramakrishna was struggling to find his way, through the fields, paddy fields. And that man said, "Don't worry, I will." He opened his from here. He opened light, and it was like a torch. And from this light, he opened the way, and Ramakrishna was able to go and do the toilet and come back. And see how powerful Ramakrishna is. He could do all these things, but he was struggling to make his way to go through the fields. And then when he went and came back, he said, "For this reason, you are not being able to attain enlightenment." And he took it from his forehead like this and he threw it. After that, he could never put a, you know, blow a torch from his third eye. So even Sadguru also, the moment he says, the Sadguru, the moment I get to know that these of my disciples have started getting siddhis, I immediately snatch it from them. So siddhis can make us very arrogant if not managed properly. We think siddhi achieve kar liya to enlightenment ho gaya. No, they are not matching. But so it is. But you have to come and you can get all the siddhis only when you have really cleaned yourself. Otherwise, it is actually a blockage in your path to enlightenment. आप इसी चीज में busy रहोगे. आप enlightenment की तरफ. Enlightenment is a totally different game than siddhis. Okay, but Hanuman was a person, despite of, that's what, see, despite of having all these siddhis, he was so humble. He had everything. He was godlike. He could become small, he could become big, he could achieve anything in life. All the eight siddhis, किसी को भी अपने वशीकरण जो है ना, he had this eight siddhis called विशिष्टत्व. किसी को भी वश कर सकते हो. हम्म हाँ, ईश्वरत्व. आप you become like God. Seventh was this. So all these siddhis he had, all the treasures, Navanidhi, all the nine treasures he has. But see how humble he is. Sometimes he doesn't even know that he has this power. Somebody else has to recognize, hey, you can fly, you can fly. Don't forget your power. You can. That's when he said, oh, can I fly? Oh, then he uses his power to fly. He's so humble, he forgets his power also. Somebody else has to come and remind him that you can do this, you can do that, and see how powerful he is, how courageous he is, how fearless he is. You know, he's also, an example of when he commits to his master, especially when he took Ram as his master. Sometimes we think, oh, master से भी मुझे बहुत पता है, मैं भी तो enlightened master की equal हो गया हूँ, तो मुझे नहीं करना है, I know better. But see, you know he's like Rama wanted. Isn't it isn't possible to achieve this through enlightenment instead of I didn't get you, Tanmay. What is it?
No,
Can you be
just,
loud?
yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, Tanmay. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Actually, as you mentioned that sometimes siddhis can block to
Yeah. You have become mute.
Isn't
Yeah,
it possible to
yeah.
isn't it possible to achieve siddhis through enlightenment instead of thinking siddhis and enlightenment separately, so that s- the siddhis is
See,
not blocking the enlightenment?
yeah, so for our goal should only be enlightenment, self-transformation. Okay. In that process, sometimes Siddhi might come in. Sometime, not always. Okay. Sometimes in the past life itself, we realize, oh, Siddhi was a blockage. That's why many enlightened master you'll be seeing extremely enlightened, but they don't have any siddhis because in the past life only they have made a pledge. I don't want any siddhis in this life because in that life I could not attain enlightenment because of running after siddhis. Did you get it?
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you.
He might be extremely enlightened, but he might not have any siddhis because he pledged that in this life I will not take any siddhis because in past life I was so running after siddhis that I could not reach enlightenment. But naturally some siddhis can come to us if you have, if naturally slowly you will see it. Have you not seen that slowly we can also vibe somebody's energy? This is also a siddhi. Slow you will see that you can understand even what another person is thinking and feeling. You can grasp just by looking at the eye. I don't know, maybe it will happen to you just by looking at somebody's eyes. I also say that even if you are, as for example, if you are all video of, I know what everybody is doing in energy, form. So these are this, you don't call it as siddhis and you don't focus, oh, I'm so great, I know this. So this is what happens when you're focused only on enlightenment. You don't focus on all these things. They come naturally to you. They come naturally, all these things, with gradual transformations. But we don't focus. And even see Hanumanji after having all these siddhis. Yeah, yes, Raji.
Didi, can we not say like Siddhi is a kind of skills or some sort of mastery that
Yeah,
comes to us after we
yes.
do lot of sadhanas and things like that,
Yeah,
right?
sometimes you don't even have to know sadhanas also siddhi. Some people, if they only focus on achieving siddhi, they can achieve siddhi. Just
Achieve
with
Siddhi, yeah,
some, it is a scientific technique, thoda pata. Have you seen that lady now who, with that short hair? Have you seen? She can read minds. In many, give me a
Yes.
thumbs up. There is this lady. She herself says it's a scientific technique. I don't call
yeah,
myself an enlightened master. Okay.
and
Some
and
people. Hmm.
and when you have Siddhis, it's also very natural that you get some sort of arrogance. That's
Yes.
why you
That
get
is the reason all enlightened masters, they take away siddhis from their disciples.
this, yeah, and that you get anchored with like Maya or attachment,
Yeah,
and
arrogance
and
and trying to show off. See, I have this, I know this, and everything. There are stories of, I don't want to, but let me just share. There are stories of in living with the Himalayan masters, Swami Rama. He had his own master, and he brought him when he was 4 years old, and he was growing along with him. But he was a very rebellious. He wanted to learn from different people and everything, and so one day he came and he one day he came to his master, his own master, and he said, you don't know anything. See, I brought him. He can light a match from his own tongue. Just a matchstick, no brushing, nothing. Tongue की पानी से ही वो अपना मैच जला सकता है. तो फिर मास्टर ने देखा है, बोले कि अरे तू वही बंदा है ना जो 20 साल पहले वो मोनेस्ट्री में दिखा था हिमालय में. तू 20 साल सिर्फ इसी में, ये मास्टर, ये सिद्धि अचीव करने में ही तूने अपना टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया 20 साल. उसने बोला तो तू एक मैच जला के उसको जला सकता था, तूने एक 20 साल तूने ये सिद्धि अचीव करने में वेस्ट कर दिया. हाँ. वो जो नॉर्मल, इवन रामकृष्ण, somebody said, somebody said, you said I walk on water. हाँ, कैन यू वॉक? रामकृष्ण को आके बोला, मैं पानी में वॉक कर सकता हूँ. तो रामकृष्ण ने बोला, गधा, जब बोट मिल गया है इधर से उधर क्रॉस करने के लिए, तुझे वॉक करने की क्या जरूरत है? So these enlightened masters, they know that these are nonsense. Even somebody asked Sadhguru, can you walk on water, Sadhguru? He said that, why do I need to walk on, if I walk on water, I will not have the joy of swimming in water. Why do I need to walk on water? Okay. These enlightened masters, they know how, they are, but at the same time, know that it naturally happens. It naturally happens when you are, after some time it happens, but you have to know, not get arrogant, or sometimes it might not happen as well, depending on, what is your, pledge in this lifetime. But what I'm saying is that Hanuman was that kind of a person who had all the siddhis, and he not for once misused his siddhi, not for once became arrogant. hmm? And he was no, not for once he felt he's greater than his master. He only served his master, only served his master, as his own guru. And और गुरु को जो भी है उसने प्रॉमिस किया, सीता माँ के पास जाना है, उसका उसका टेल जल गया, बट प्रॉमिस इज अ प्रॉमिस, मैं जाऊंगा तो जाऊंगा, सीता माँ को ये देना है, मैं राम जी ने बोला है तो मुझे देना है. Sincerity of his serving towards his master, promise, these are all the qualities of Hanuman. Hanuman is also Chiranjeevi, they say. He has not left his body. That's why if you have any problem, बोलते कि हमारा जो closest vibration, जो the people who are in human flesh, and still that's why gurus can help us so fast sometimes, only because of this, because they are in this almost to the closest vibration. They can listen to us fast. Hanuman is also in the physical body. So and what he does is that he gives us protection. He gives us power. He makes us fearlessness. If you ask for all these energies, not, again I tell you, we don't worship to any god. We say that the same qualities of the Hanuman is in me. Because we are the universe, right? All the qualities that the Hanuman has, I also have those qualities. Maybe it is still not activated. With the help of Hanuman energy today, we will be able to activate those powers in our life. Okay. And one of the, we all talk about that we are divine. कभी कभी बोलते बोलते भी ना हमें एरोगेंस आ जाता है. हम दूसरों को, भी स्पिरिचुअल पीपल, हम अपने आप को भगवान समझते हैं, और जो स्पिरिचुअल नहीं है उनको कुछ नहीं समझते. ओके, ऐसा भी दिस आर कॉल्ड स्पिरिचुअल एरोगेंस. ये डिफरेंट डिफरेंट स्टेजेस ऑफ स्पिरिचुअलिटी में आ सकता है. ओके. सो ये वाला है कि अब बोलते कि हम सब में भगवान है, हम सब में राम है. Hanuman, Ram is like, we all have this Ram consciousness inside us, this Vishnu consciousness, this God consciousness inside us. But it is there inside us, but that cannot be fully, manifest till we have ego, till we have arrogance, till we want to put down others. ये नहीं होगा. इसीलिए we have, how do we, the way to go towards becoming Ram is through Hanuman. Become like a Hanuman, then only you can become Ram. इतना humble, इतना इतना, चेहरा भी देखो उसका, लगता है उसको कुछ आता नहीं है. हनुमान का चेहरा ऐसा है ना कि कुछ आता नहीं है, भोला टाइप्स. वाइजेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, सबसे वाइज है हनुमान, सबसे पावरफुल है, सबसे करेजियस, सब कुछ, अष्ट सिद्धि, सब कुछ है उसके पास, लेकिन फिर भी कैसा भोला. हाँ. The more you get enlightened, na, the more you lose your ego, and the more you become bhola types. Have you seen Ramakrishna, how bhola he is? And that's why, Abraham Hicks says ki, did I tell you Abraham's ka chota chota quotes, you should read such beautiful quotes. Abraham Hicks, I have shared about Abraham Hicks. So वो बोलते, did I tell you, people who are not enlightened, they are not aligned, they find us crazy people. क्योंकि हम थोड़े अजीब है ना, एक टाइम के बाद हम थोड़े अजीब दिखते हैं लोगों के लिए. हंसेंगे बहुत खुल के, रोएंगे भी खुल के बात करेंगे, इतना कुछ हम में इतना नहीं होगा, ये छुपाओ वो छुपाओ, ये करो वो करो, हम एकदम बच्चों जैसे बात करेंगे, बच्चों जैसा गुस्सा भी हो जाएंगे. हाँ, सब कुछ बच्चों जैसा हो जाता है. जितना हम एनलाइटेंड होते रहते हैं ना, उतना हमें बचपना ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है, बिकॉज हमें कुछ एक्ट करने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. सो दिस इज व्हाट हनुमान इज. This is what Ramakrishna shows us. These people, how humble, innocent, pure we keep becoming. And when we keep becoming like this, we are now moving towards becoming Ram. We are now moving towards becoming Sita. Yeah. So today, and it's like fearlessness. Hanuman is also, and my own experience is that, okay, you know, this time I told you, right? I have, I'm so grateful that thankfully I've come to a stage जहाँ पे मुझे कभी कुछ इतना वो overwhelming नहीं, but my life has been very challenging in the last 2 months. Very, very challenging. My brother, suddenly such emergency, and 3 years back, he had this, he had this surgery, and the doctor did half surgery and half surgery करके उसको बोला कि तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, abnormal gallbladder है, ऐसे ही रहना है. 1 month back he went into such emergency, everything, his liver was getting damaged, everything was getting damaged, and I had to fly and bring him from Madurai to here. So when I went to Madurai, I had this three. When I was Denmark, I could not come to Bangalore because my only stop from Denmark was to Madurai. My parents stay here, I stay with them, and I go back to Denmark. So I bought these 3 trunks. होता है ना पुराने दिनों का ट्रंक मदुराई में मिलता है, बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कलर, आजकल कलर करके मिलता है ट्रंक्स. तो मैंने मम्मी को बोला मैं अपना 3 ट्रंक खरीदूंगी, और मेरे जो जो चीज है जो मुझे बीच में चाहिए होगा, मैं आऊंगी, मैं यहाँ से लेके फिर डेनमार्क लेके जाऊंगी. दिस इज माई 3 ट्रंक्स दैट this is only for me. So I when I went there, I opened those trunks. Sometimes I would take some chunnis from there because in Madurai Meenakshi temple you have to take chunnis also. It's very that place. So when I was opening the trunk, I found this box, and it was a very very serious time. My brother, उसको डॉक्टर ने, उसने कुछ नहीं बोला, लेकिन उसको डॉक्टर ने बोला कुछ कर नहीं सकते तुम्हारे, इसका मेडिकल मैनेजमेंट से ही होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा तुम्हारा, इससे ऐसे ही चलना पड़ेगा, सर्जरी भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, स्टेंट लगा के, एंड स्टेंट ऑल्सो फॉर 3 months only you can keep. After that, it's like he was in a state, he didn't tell us, he was in a state as if I know I'm going to die, I have no other option, क्योंकि मेरा तो सर्जरी भी नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा इसी के साथ. This is what the doctor has told him. And I went there with this intuition that something is not right. I need to bring him here. When I went there and I was opening those trunks, I opened a small box and I suddenly remembered that, that this is something I was gifted by my Devar some 1 or 2 years back. And I kept it here. And I said, okay, जब time होगा लेके जाऊंगी, अभी तो डेनमार्क जाऊंगी, time नहीं, and everything. And I knew that it is Panchmukhi Hanuman. And it came to me. So that's what, when we are meditators and we are meditating, we are doing seva, we are working for others' happiness and everything. That's why it says 4S, and I also add gratitude. So when we are doing all these things, universe naturally supports you. And that's when this Panchmukhi Hanuman came in my life. And I said, okay, you want to go with me? Let's go. And I brought him, and everything was so smooth. The doctor here said, oh, we will do the surgery. It is nothing. No worry. Don't worry. Just in one day, a laparoscopy was done. His gallbladder was removed. Everything was done so smooth. So one Hanuman, like I place a lot of, different kinds of gurus and gods in my, and I don't say that I worship them, I ask and everything. I know that I am the universe. But at the same time, there has to be a balance of understanding. There are other energies. If I don't have anything active in me, these energies I can take for right now to activate the same power inside me. As for example, Hanuman has the power of courage and fearlessness. If I'm a little bit fearful, I can use his energies to activate my fearlessness, my courage, my power, and my humbleness. I can activate all those things by just bringing him in his energies. Right? So tonight, think about anything that some fear, if you want to, that is, you're continuously fear. Hanuman means fearless. He's also fearless, humble and fearless. Anything that is holding you back in your spiritual growth, think about that. And let's use our energy. Today is going to be a power pact. Friends, tomorrow night I might not take session because now I want you to also ground. I'll be sending grounding meditation. No meditation. Morning ka bhi class lungi, so I will not take upper energy meditation, because it is going to be a very, very powerful meditation. You have to ground for tomorrow, because otherwise we get, that's why I say, friends, for Swagata also, why I am worried is that some people who are not listening to my guidances, अगर झमेला हुआ बाद में, फिर मेरे पास नहीं आना कि मैं ये मेडिटेशन करके मेरा लाइफ में और झमेला बढ़ गया, बिकॉज मेडिटेशन हैज अ बैलेंस. We bring our energies up and then we also have to bring it down. Otherwise imbalance अगर हो गया तो फिर बहुत, that's why I do it with lots of caution. I make sure that these meditation I don't post online so that people do it on their own and then go into spiritual emergency. Okay, so that's why, friends, make sure that you have tulsi mala as soon as possible. Friends, get your tulsi malas as soon as possible. Hmm? Tomorrow, even if I'm not taking the evening sessions, I'll be sending some YouTube videos of grounding. You will now bring, आज हम लोग ऊपर की तरफ जाएंगे, कल आप सिर्फ नीचे की तरफ जाओगे. मदर अर्थ के पास एक्सेस एनर्जी है तो सिर्फ मदर अर्थ के साथ कनेक्ट करोगे कल. Okay? So friends, let's start.